Hi guys, it's Alan here again with the Trade and Grow Group and our team Ending Green. I get asked a lot about how I actually use my winnings from trading, right, and how I would recommend people to do so in the beginning. So I would say that it's always gonna be reinvesting because I don't really think that you can't actually live a normal life without the earnings you get or the profits you get from trading. So I would always recommend you to reinvest into something. Might not be stock trading, but a good thing to reinvest in would be yourself. So invest in yourself, especially if you're really young, especially if you're at our age or even younger. Try to get some courses, try to get some lessons that you can learn from somebody, so that you can actually improve yourself. You can actually get more knowledge about something, maybe a high income skill, maybe some more knowledge in trading, maybe a special skill that you have always wanted to learn or know about. That would be something that gonna be beneficial to you in long term, and the return rate would be um, infinite. So other than that, personally, I usually just try to reinvest the money into the stock market. Try to um, put some money into long-term trades other than just day trades and swing trades. And other than that, I would also try to do something like you know putting money into some other investments. It could be real estate. It could be basically just flipping items like cars or flipping watches, something like that, to earn a little bit of profits from those things. Other than that, saving a little bit as an emergency fund would be great. My own recommendation would be having an emergency fund that can sustain your lifestyle, your normal lifestyle, like your daily necessities, your rent, your food and bills for like half a year, or ideally 1 year. And if you have extra money, go try to treat your parents, your family, and your friends for a good meal. Buy them a little bit of other stuff, so would be something good to do as well. So yeah, ideally my recommendation would be to reinvest the money, and to use it in a good way that makes you and people around you happy. You can also donate a little bit. My own aim is to put like 5% or 10% of the earning into charity or into something that can help others. That would be something good to know, because usually people just try to reinvest, spend, and also save, but they mostly just forget about helping people around the world who are actually in need at the moment. Alright, so I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, please press thumbs up down below. If you like our channel, please subscribe to it. We also have a community, a Facebook group, as well as a Telegram group talking about little things about trading. You can ask your question there. Otherwise, please comment down below, or tag Ask Black Current anywhere. Maybe you can tag it through Twitter, Instagram, or something like that, and I'll answer you as soon as possible. I'll see you in the next video.